First, we do this multiplication, 1 over 3 times 15. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So here we have just 5. And 5 divided by 5 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 5 divided by 1 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 15. So 5 times 3 times 15. First we do this multiplication. 5 times 3 gives us 15. So 15 times 15. Okay? 10 times 15 gives us 150. So 150 plus 5 times 15, which equals 75. So 150 plus 75, which equals 225. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 225.